You're watching the Weiss channel. Okay, today we're going to talk about functions. Functions. Okay? A function, for example, f of x equals 3x squared plus 9. Find f of 4. F just means how does x function? F of x means how does x function? Okay? Now, honest to goodness, this is the same as saying y equals 3x plus 9. Why do we say f of x equals 3x squared plus 9? I don't know. But this is another way to write it. F of x equals 3x squared plus 9. So to find f of 4, all that means is you put in 4 instead of x, wherever you see an x. Okay, so f of 4 equals 3 times 4 squared plus 9. And what you do is you take the 4, you do the 4 squared first, order of operations, right? 4 squared is 16. Then you do 3 times 16, which is 48, plus 9 gives you 57. Okay? Over here, f of 9 means instead of x, you put in 9. Okay? So once again, we're going to do the 9 squared before multiplying by 2. 9 squared is 81. 2 times 81 is 162. Plus 9 minus 8 gives me 163. Okay? F of x equals negative x squared. What's f of 5? Okay. Now, what we do here is we be careful we don't lose this negative here. And in order of operations, please note that the 5 to the second gets multiplied first. It's as if we cover up this negative and we do 5 squared, which is 25, and then we put the negative back in. So the negative of 25 gives you negative 25. Okay. Now, what if x is negative 5? Well, guess what? You're going to wind up doing the same thing. All right, instead of x, you're putting in negative 5. Notice how I don't lose that negative there. But in this case, I do negative 5 times negative 5, which is, again, positive 25. And I do the negative of 25, which is negative 25. Notice it's the same answer, whether it's positive 5 or negative 5 in this case. Okay? Because if it's squared, you're going to wind up with a positive here, and then the negative makes it negative. Okay? All right. What's f of negative 5 if f of x equals 2x squared plus 3x? Instead of x, I put in negative 5. Okay? Negative 5 squared makes 25, right? And 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. 2 times 25 is 50, and 50 and negative 15 makes 35. F of x equals negative x squared minus 2x plus 12. What's f of 8? Okay. Instead of x, you put in 8. All right. The negative, once again, don't lose that negative. 8 squared is 64. Minus 2 times 8 is 16, plus 12. But it's the negative of 8 squared, so it's going to be the negative of 64. Negative 64 and negative 16 makes negative 80. Negative 80 plus 12 is negative 68. Okay. Over here, f of x equals negative x squared plus 2x plus 8. What's f of negative 2? Instead of x, I put in negative 2. All right, be careful, don't lose that negative. Okay. Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. right? So the negative of it is going to be -4. 2 times -2 is -4, and then plus 8. So you have -4 and -4 is -8. -8 plus 8 gives you 0. Sure, you can get an answer of 0 sometimes. You've been watching the Weiss channel.